Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the world of finance and trading. Welcome to the world of finance and trading, where the tides change faster than a heartbeat. You are tuned into your most reliable source, the latest financial news, and today we have something quite intriguing in the pipeline. But before we go any further, we would like to remind you to also hit that like button if you find our content informative. Your support helps us you the most up-to-date and accurate financial news. Now let's get into it. Today's headline: Robinhood, the app that has been a game changer for retail investors, is in the crosshairs of the Securities and Exchange Commission. Stick around as we delve into the SEC's warning to Robinhood, the company's response, and what this could mean for the future of crypto trading. In a recent turn of events, Robinhood, the popular trading platform, has received a stern warning from the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. This warning came in the form of a so-called Wells notice issued on the 4th of May. The notice indicated a preliminary determination by the SEC to recommend enforcement action against Robinhood due to alleged violations of registrations as a securities broker and transfer agent. The consequences of this action could be far-reaching, potentially leading to a civil complaint, public court proceeding, and even fines. More than that, Robinhood's crypto activities could face certain limitations. Despite all this, the market seemed to react in a rather unexpected way. On the following Monday, Robinhood's stock actually rose by more than 1% in early morning trading. This news has certainly stirred the waters, making it clear that the SEC's warning to Robinhood is a development we should all keep our eyes on. The SEC's warning has not been taken lightly by Robinhood, sparking a fiery response from the platform's chief legal, compliance, and corporate affairs officer, Dan Gallagher. Gallagher expressed his disappointment in a blog post, saying, "After years of good faith attempts to work with the SEC for regulatory clarity, including our well-known attempt to come in and register, we are disappointed that the agency has decided to issue a Wells notice." This warning to Robinhood comes amidst a wider SEC crackdown on firms that allow U.S. customers to trade cryptocurrencies. The SEC has targeted a number of these firms, including the largest U.S. cryptocurrency exchange, Coinbase. Last June, the agency filed a lawsuit against Coinbase, alleging it was operating an unregistered exchange by allowing the sale of certain crypto tokens the agency considers to be investment securities, and therefore part of the SEC's jurisdiction. The SEC has also made similar claims against Binance, arguing that the exchange allowed certain digital currencies to be traded on its platform that should have been registered with the SEC. However, these allegations have been met with resistance. Coinbase and its CEO, Brian Armstrong, are currently fighting these allegations, arguing that the cryptocurrencies sold through its exchange are more like baseball cards than securities. Despite these legal challenges, leading figures within these firms, including Robinhood's chief legal officer, maintain that the cryptocurrencies sold on their platforms are more akin to baseball cards than securities. As Robinhood prepares to fight these allegations, they remain steadfast in their belief that no wrongdoing has occurred on their platform. Robinhood's core argument is that the assets listed on their platform are not securities. In fact, they've echoed the sentiment expressed by Coinbase, another platform under the SEC's scrutiny, that the cryptocurrencies traded on their platform are more akin to baseball cards than securities. This argument hinges on the idea that these tokens are collectibles, not investment vehicles subject to the same regulations as traditional securities. It's important to note that Robinhood hasn't been caught off guard by this development. They've been transparent about the fact that their crypto business has been under SEC investigation. The company disclosed earlier that they had received subpoenas from the regulatory body. This is not a sudden attack, but rather an escalation of an ongoing disagreement between Robinhood and the SEC. The company's chief legal officer has been vocal about their stance, stating, "We firmly believe that the assets listed on our platform are not securities, and we look forward to engaging with the SEC to make clear just how weak any case against Robinhood Crypto would be on both the facts and the law." While the future remains uncertain, Robinhood asserts that any case against them would be weak in both facts and law. Only time will tell how this saga unfolds.